Just latest no ebe who could not pay live on the show our brother be one monitor and Jumadian. This is the show name of my man Fanto when I'm saying to be common on our Brian Fanasiano and some from a 5G ya 5G na just a non energy drink catches so so and one as such as a boy Emma Jumadia would and some I comment Abribian so open ya fan sound what demo power just our pomotinimo and what Jumba Sabia or pomotin and some baby see our pro Jumaswa. We bet me I don't want to Jumamo Sikasam, a job brand and watch promotion in the Akanino and some other no I 5G and I just drink Katarama and I just nano penny yet I have foreign news ringing on Atepa. Now medically at 20 and another person and Ra. Wabel Cobas at Manchester, but friendly game in make a choice say Yabaria game and a Basabokua. Your phone is a Rosenborg and some Nasha Bako and a Manju Antimiante. Wabel Cobas and another penny I was at the latest abaning. When himself make a choice of coach, your father Saratan Aguase, one of the 3 years I want to make Casabia Gama and Ra, one so boy a result of Frimu Pino, I a secondary as a moment, Waba Casabia Denham, I a secondary, no, not Casabia and your primary and some Adamo, and I just had your kind of match fitness. One will be at Manchester Bobo, many Janese or 3 years and no, and some I excuse Adamabokua, your father Manchester United after Senra, a Koba Somuluzu Sakamino, many Janam Akasanam Yen Sama United, and some coach, your friend Eric Ten Hag, and after the game, on some Arituja.
We can make talk everything good what is bad, but I'm not that guy. So I have seen, and this is not the standard for top football. In top football, you have to achieve much higher standards. Starts with any individual. Make sure you are fit. I know we can't be match fit in this moment. Therefore, you need those games. I know we play against an opponent. They are in the league. Yeah. They have a much higher fitness level. But still, we are Man United, and players from Man United, team from Man United should perform better.
Yes, I know I am some United manager and ye na just already. Your friend Eric Ten Hag, Kono, and Tessa, Sawopo, Adamabokua. Your friend some Mayun Quadi or some Motumpano, and some Naya Better, our brother Ayasmo Ray, and some Nadia Kawa to Jawan Saminano. Yet Abana Udim say, and it can't ever to that Emma Tessa. The backroom star may catch also Rano, was sent answer or Batiasia. Wabay stand a contract, Tama Manju, our sir, one will beefy up and the backroom staff and watch it. Woman Matches a sign is be any day. Nina some Mutia, woman somebody or say your Joe Emampani and Pano, woman do a red fun cell root Vanistroy and some buy. Your cousin Vanistroy or your former player and some Manjut and Rowa Brecobasa, woman we game you so Rano when Manchester and Quadani be 18 come our brand new media. Of course, after the game, no, and you be sat Tenax or Penny, you say what problem Pompo Natchez our assistant tena. Your friend some root Vanistroy no. One and some managers and could only be 18 Commander Biano, who say about 1 man you are not so. Only the Abbas experience so raw. Your father some vanished to a in and some other banfa so at your Man United Timono. Now, all your coach be on as I am ambitious and what a vanished to a be on front of Juma and some man ya grantinay say, oh, Tim, no, any puppy and some other some vanished troya will be on himself Banu Goshana or Dimutin Timanpa. Now, what did the Abbas away no? I want to say be a Manchester attacking wiser. Wayne as I a plus at my side. Your finish United and Ten Hag on Sunday or a fan of Vanistroy. A Jumanino, Yentia coach.
Yeah, absolutely. He's a very ambitious manager. He has a great skill set as a manager. So he will help the team. He will help individual players, but definitely will help the team in all the team functions on football, but definitely in attacking wise and in pressing wise. Absolutely. He's a very ambitious manager. He has a great skill set as a manager. So he will help the team. He will help individual players, but definitely will help the team in all the team functions on football, but definitely in attacking wise and in pressing wise.
Yes, na Chesano a kakre free Manchester for so de power brano and so I Jumedia and Rabos and Chesanano penny nano ya dene update and some amateur I was shown so now my main fan to him say wa Brameka Manchester and Samono would himself Manju Apakatana ya fan Matthias the late ama Cheswano and some Latimiaba now Matthias the late and so Ayobia Dominion says say Manu Fonum Aquaman minimum report from Cancer in the last 72 hours now say and I'm not free chasa and rachi and some naribasi chasa and ra at the anano prame casanino when I'm some boy way Jaminian some you and Shadan Fadia ya can say be a concrete offer and I say be a negotiation be an one ma say be one match say be a negotiation and also some concrete our bra we bet me a day when and I some po what do home about to say be a nano one must apamatize let no moment for be and some now genius can be also that way no and some nabanya ba and no free man you fast way no and some not the Arsenal medical ya to when him say manager na your fan say a mess and as Mikel Arteta was him omunjan kura ni bi kan meka eye edin kati asem atro and what you make akwadana your fan say a Mel Smith Rowe and some asem atro na Smith Rowe and am no kase no yasim ebi mo aba ho na omo ma ba ni nyina no and so aye clubs omo ba am so mo si kom ne ba na si kasem no and some our Fumano Payano report to me and say Arsenal wama reject him offer Eddie free Fulham now Fulham fan the Basam and Kabeya many Janin Chasno Marco Day and some Amar Craving Cote Jama Bono Bo and some from Fulham Bobo Kuno now Jaminian in say no no Casino Metesa yes Arsenal Fono woman some rejected beta Fulham at the bar Natchez and Aquatano and yet so Mujana Amon and so to Miyako now baby says a question mark and some coach na your fan say Pep Guardiola na Man City for the omunim say the best yako yerim say nyame yarma season e ba die aye dia manager fan say Pep ono and no boys no aba start to pre-season ono and no boys no and some aba ya juma e boboku a your fan say Man City report amenya no and some other the aba no nyina say besine yes one on Manchester City mpan for no say bia Sanka Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan and I say bia Khartoum Al Mubarak no yes we and can be and show say one of the Jumana tour after upcoming season namam why di almost say a your month of July time on Shadan Koi into Shanum na nyame ya doma every the month of December and some unkwasi next year February and omode ba assess manager na hwesa anya bia no e bia coach na ebetina and say bia manager no and some abeko na domo kan nyina no say between December and next year February no wo some abehu e wa bra south time wo mo hwanem say bia communication bi and some ababa so e dia matim na enom kakra free omaso ye e de abama Canada dada say akoda bi na wo mo fa no Salvino na mom ni dino and some aye Savio ayo bia me catch us on man ko ball on ma joma de na Man City for no say born akwada na born basa em afi mu to bi de ba mumia mo squad mu na chasa Man City for no wo mo some share o mo squad no mo kena na Savio and then aye Tuesday report amenya na no pe and say nyame ya doma Wednesday and akwada na ye fan say Savio a chasa no and some aye play ama boboku a ye fan say Man City no wonom and so ebetimi aba branch some be na kire na some am feeling am akotano the presentation so baba so if we now koni nyina no ono some aba born bo ade am side ya fan say no as I chasa Man City na me be story some weeks ago what can some catch us to Liverpool and Liverpool wo mo honest no na chasa we aye John W Henry owura na wonom na chasa odi animo and aye FSG Fenway Sports Group me catch us some din komo our ayadesa Oko France ni nyina no and some aye near can say Bordeaux na Orange de Bordeaux team no ya ba be studios and a report amenya no say and come na nka Liverpool for the San Kabia team no wo mo some na betimi atono report amenya no say anya ye yes Liverpool for no Woman pull out, and now yes, a Bordeaux team no woman some about to afraid. Mammy Newcastle, I quite an fan say Anthony Gordon. Make Anthony Gordon as a metro, and then now Anthony Gordon at the end, and I'm a can say, Bynum, I'm walk camp, archers, I'm a bunch of slinging, not just a burning 72 boom. Now make a show year passing a down for Bako, and it just a Curtis Jones, our GDA passer. One of some about Liverpool, I best say Lamine Jamal, I train Nico Williams, our Barcelona. na Chester Curtis Johnson so no one some try Anthony Gordon and some our Liverpool boy way and I make so ba catch am fosa woman janu kwan emanen ko na eno wache de menya nyina no so mokoi say yawe sure no report am say kan say Liverpool woman at the bed for abako woman tiri abas Anthony Gordon ayobi oso oba na enam aye Tuesday ya shedan dran mu kra na just a week no at that some aye young and to report am nya no at say free na enkozi say bia na watwi enkonere ya de na just a bit I just am aye fofra I was say ko edema kodana ye fans Anthony Gordon no and some abako akodru aye Newcastle woman some aso aye our bra no and some aye update abanam uye Liverpool fana ya shane so am say anya fo and some ama Liverpool team no emu enkoyemre and some ama Liverpool na owura ye fans Virgil van Dijk and some ayobia na Chelsea Liverpool fana twensa we ba extend the contract adiama saida ye fans Liverpool na Van Dijk din ye say omo tire bi say yeah player your father say Mohamed Salah este now Salah anko ba bia nanu ya from last week ba mebeka say Salah and some anu wataru endo omo mi anu nyina no and some adwane company masa Mohamed Salah nim aye serious and to omo so omo tire ba say nunti adama Van Dijk no and so ebeste Van Dijk any be akọ na Chelsea Van Dijk and France bia onyan sign contract no kwana still now no one so mabakọ so ya adwuma no wo so mo catch Barcelona for say Luis Diaz ne say unim namo wi masa unim namo nwen peto say bia wadwe so ana Chelsea o de wo ya kwada wo si so sabi manimu am wato panti wona na bu pakwa masa anyanka kobusa e bia wo nananom Chelsea wo be 16 ebi wo 32 masa ntino komo de omonama anyanka to pabu onko anti wo no say e bia wadwe so unma depa enche Liverpool ana mo so mo kwana na mutwanya muni kapre e to mo so mo catch Barca for say story na me deba some days ago echo weeks any nyina no wo mo sem omo nanso dieta so mo ton Luis Diaz amana ko empo Anthony Gordon ekraba e dey na first choice na o second choice we so timi ba ma ne ye ento mo nja kwena ne kwan anaso wo chena e ma boy no ensom ankwame no kasai yerim se Barca wo mo be so mo sane akodan na ye fa Nico Williams tiamie na Chelsea for no the ama Chelsea and some aye dini say woman so by the preference aye FC Barcelona mabeka no also da so boy ne catch ne agent ne say masa we dia when you o man kwayo hu aye yi bia ma MMTS ya na bia masa aye Barcelona no akwada ne say ano so ba so obo na na me no kasa Chelsea for no wo mo didi be say omo gina ye pa gina omo gina ye ne nyina ne yesi kasam wo nyina ye say bia akwada no wo so obetumi afa no omo gina ye to do my you know say on your marks get set into say ebia adeni bomb and one so mo fani ko Williams akọ say there wo ma ready agina ye de yan say bia akodan no abeja tum say bia Barca anya sikanto na mom akodan aye willing say bia no and some aba move every Spain adia wo mo tiri ba so omo nchen and akodan we and some aba Victor Osimhen Chelsea for engine chiridie me no ka say Chelsea wo mo some ada so dim koma awa bra akodan no wo mo some aba so Osimhen omo tepa no Osimhen ase so aba so omo tepa ni nyina no yesi Napoli for na Friday Ranum at one so na ebia out the best 100 million euros ebia cha so mo negotiate abroswa ebia 110 aba wom aba jai amo Osimhen aba because omo ya wes Antonio Conte Lukaku wonya Lukaku Osimhen ba bi opabia onko Osimhen pakronko sanema Real Madrid Antonio Conte emfa ho de hian so Kvaratskhelia and some abatena into Osimhen de no de omo ya ne sem Chelsea say woman ya ready so much crazy money e dey akwa komano ana enfran say bia na nsentem no e ba say bia say do na na say bia link no e cool it down me say ba say bia mpanifo no kwa ni mo boy no e be ka ane Eddie Chelsea and it's a Chelsea Osimhen and Padia. One more quiet so boy about yes, say one some Ababanum Babia, some one and so I saw 110 and I said be 100 million euros no and a Chelsea and ready say one was able to add your way and some Adana no Casanino and I update about some no yet the emulator for me Raspain and so answer Namum Dicama Argentina one more players one more to pass and bra and then man who obi post or say a free na kuroi on defende akwadana ye fan Enzo Fernandez abm na adebu won ma nipa wo ya yesi wo twase na wonim sem na bia wa chichia but ye wa adebu won ma na sometimes a tuba bia ni down bone sem nas obenya Argentina for no mote aye team bass omunie hwam ayade se Instagram page and say bia Instagram account no wey aye Enzo Fernandez IG and na chesam omude ya sa time no nani pe guso atwa be 40 million masa it is about 40 million show at a go. Our Argentina team, a team bass muko. None of my some our bass mayas and chaye. Na nas video when a bar, a baba cabesabia 10 seconds. I'm a video nesino. Unum say ya say you man no tuninano. Sabi. A racist chant. Yet say racism. Ayada so and some our community. Racism. Ayada kwasi a man kwai. A manage a sports and so afa. And your football and kwan away and some sabi or in patuntum into ayade. Ay, nam babusa o boba. Ay, I drain our name to Abu Bobos and I drain out to me dress massa. Send your money in a hard jumper. Now, yasim sa a new way. I am 2010 World Cup anymore. And Argentina supporters and some creating and Jomna. I attempted ye. Now, I'm creating Jomno. Yamsanka players, they be a who better. And I say, you should have known better. At year 2022. Supporters, aye, ya condemn it. We, Argentina players, woman to bass and you mean, say, woman, Kylian Mbappé, and I pan on to my and I'm no casino. Woman say, boys libu onuma womonya French forma na omonom omuyobia chasa ebimu mame efri Nigeria ebimu papa every Cambodia so the masa and to kwankwa and amaba benya aye French passport na momo kra bi mu te se Mbappé mono trans and eda na chese bia obema wakwakoya ni ayame ya dan no oba anase bia oba wakwa ne afei ya force wade ade bia besi nanim na chese no som adane bema no safo no and Mbappé nom and omo di agro e wo mpam dida rough on say the enyum ne si kono na ha dwempa ma no kasa no yes Nigeria for be buafu and you one and watching almost support a team no and chess no ma akwaso nyina no yes o mudiri e basa de we diada braka entwaye na odie tie kakra bi atese nas obetimi ama akobesa bia abeka besa bia 10 seconds ansana adenam asie eho and mokofa Mbappé any other African players omo anchi every Africa omo ball and some France national team dentia am make Mbappé so no say nyum no wo mo kwatini 2022 World Cup and nanu ya chese Argentina boys and some akoto ya wa enra wo mo some akokodu amen no and akokofa some ejaba Enzo Fernandez the IG page and asane ma nyina no and some akoso Yes, na chese ninyina na aya nioma eno ekoso ewa brana no pay no wa broma be drew Argentina omodo trophy ebekere ana chese Enzo ene dikama sanioma na me no kasa no amanfo so asopana parfait mami Spain omono share team enra enso na was buy ya shero agwa bra chese ayade so omoto ninyina na nas mami players na no omoto nyo meka na no pay enso awo dwumadia ye fa no set power so me say we aya chese durante na chese during time and Jumadi and Gusu Cosanunie, Yafano durante la celebración, la afición española, Corrio, Rodri, Ballon de Oro, na Chasamasa, boys when you are during celebration of Pejanium so, Ballon d'Or, no Aya Chasa Uniatia, where Aya Rodri, Ballon d'Or, Rodri, Ballon d'Or, and to the ocean on Sancho Selu, one Kwana Den Sabenkum, or the Sanifano, and the Ato or Refan Satanic Cafaya, Equum, and what Den Sabencumo, actually. Aya kavaya so say ono na o say the Ballon d'Or e ma no omo maka ni nyina no I say yemfa Ballon d'Or and some ama Rodri a obano ball ama Man City ana Hoselu and kwade ne sacho aya dani kavaya so wo de yentie say de eno na dwomo hu omo nyom no and some I was bias Yes, Nina, I just a new man about our Brenano Peno. Yet I update my Fafe, young co, a Real Madrid, that's why, and I Kylian Mbappé, de Bible Casa Bibia, one number. Now Bibia become just an awesome and then Tramampa. 2 years ago, by way, as well, I Real Madrid, Mano Casa Mbappé, Ababa the camera time or 2 all signing contract, and so the Amabokua, your father saw Real Madrid way Mbappé, and some other president, your father saw Florentino Perez on you. I never quite want to say, yeah, mean time will be what born than any fan of Bosch shot. I have be your Timbo and couldn't over cancer naturally. Or you're right-footed. Mbappé choro di benkum na chere. Sasana de si chama hu obi o di besi na kra no. Wo di de sa benkum ana tie aduane kona no. I'm say ai. Na sa no de na you know. That's when you had the benkum ana chere enti Mbappé enie ana Florentino Perez and so medically itinerary and some am say Ghana 10 aye 7. We be medical and ana permit don sama buy. Ana me cast about 8:30 on Florentino Perez. Omo photo shoot no and some about cause anunie na abo aye 10 o'clock anopaya na presentation aba so Ghana 10 aye 11 na press conference aba so tiri nyina no and ya dem away aye presentation ready massa and your photoshop some way aye just in person na just way aye owura fa no Florentino Perez one aye president almost say na kwa aye kase no I was so to the don so into the don aye Florentino one and I presented number 9 Jason no de ama kwana fa no say Mbappé ya dem aye update ni nyina dem o na unim say Real Madrid TV make asem anano patwumadi abakoso ni nyina no wo so aba streami na omo ya adwuma adama Real Madrid TV na no pomo say akwada we presentation ti enro enkwada na o Madrid no o ma na o and am say o ma na say so o say as also Jesus no o ma make us ade chia ye konkra na ye kokumase a because who does a kim ade ba che over sare no na just wo ko to no won sa shaw ma me amotom na wo de down say de be ya wo kan ho a woni ate etu oni on passem bi o nyane na onu nyina nyade pe etu wei ensom na chese ni padom a wo mu nyina no ensom anamu akwa ewa bra wei ensom aye time e ba say Mbappé adwumadi aba so nas mame ana supporters ni padom a wo mu some ababa drew near Canasa Benabel. Woman nam come out communia when I picture from Nas. I'm a video now. Over some paman for salai pa man for and some salai and no Menoka says a Jaminian say. Santiago Benabel aboma eti dia wo hwe aye time supporters no am say nyam kwadan krom benfo no nyina ntimi ana wo mu nyina no akọ stadium asom akọ hwe ese dia adwumadie no eno som obesi akọ say wan kontam a ya tupunum achasena mese omobe cover a stadium roof no womo katasrom security and some aye tight wenom aye time omo san salai amadwumade no nyina no akọ nipa ba kupo bra wi ase de Yamis Ayodia Ayodia. I hand Yakudan still showing you and now frame a tema. A branch of an Mbappé no sir was signing autograph Edema fan bako and I JC Omobato Jesus Nibino Bakom Adredia by I'm Mbappé as signers I'm an Mbappé autograph Ninano and I just who be our bra fan in here one of some I lucky fan our brenner when you're Mbappé I'm an autograph no and somebody I toss a Jamano afraid Yaman say can send yes flight just about 2 and some free a year Paris Abba a year Madrid our broker no Casacrano and some Nina Baba drew I am Akumako 4 not just a plane and Quebetuno and I am Akumako 4 Macachos a legends Ababa make us then Ababa and what you on one Casana Foundation Quadano bear over 200 Omoba a BM and say yes one more surprise Emma Quadana Fancy Mbappé a bessin one any yang any more mutiani na obi ani ho a wonim surprise ekro achese remade for no ensom ahyehyɛ ademano achese ni nyina na adwumadi ene no ɛno som betimi akoso nti flight no aye maako 4 and a features France ababedu krom ho a ɛnom aye update aba frema me banner no wɔm de banner ba be say aye vade bebas akwan mu ho na banner ni nyina no say wɔm da Mbappé as a gracias ewa brand die so anu so asa obeso obebo no ball ensom adema Real Madrid ni nyina no and also mabam and a jamano after stage no anya set nas mama said your stage our better bow and also sitting in Mbappé day na stage no almost say want to try. When you can say be almost say Kakamiya say one of the Champions League, Marco 15 a buy. Nas I'm a mistake now, but some other Champions League Marco Dunum and share Udia share picture no and Tisam di Cambaya so be free ebia local room and some Abanua Nanteswana light as so Jana fireworks any day no from what they are called ebia or screen on sending for so baby on Monty stage I'm a Real Madrid one so crown and I some procrastino and some Danaho and a German second Champions League titles no or my 28 hour Hana chess 7 hour and I said 15 in our class so Gemuno I Real Madrid and 15 in ano esa som baby ahihye nkunya no eho aye titiru ene chese 19 format tonsa ensom ade first half no abusuafo no bi benya baby atena mo ma ka mo dia no aye stance ni mo ene wachi owia wo be free baby asa giant screen no no san fa walk way ni mo ade aba baby on betena say na the press conference no enam anso abaso enti Champions League akoma 15 in ano dia men say kan say mahyehe ensom awa chese stage no so simpia no so a ni nyina na aye Mbappé na no say wabra me be kan na no reposting na no Sunday class wo mo hyehye ni o masere be a o ma Philippo no bi class concert na so mo ni yabo kika na ban ye say woman ye na bi omu project na the picture no abe dash screen no so pebe share day na omo ma stadium no pray no kasa no obeti je wabo won yo masa etim ba be feel na ye we cry chesa no pe skills kakra bi na chesa obeti hwehwe na chesa prete aha mo fro no na chesa bia wo move na we are say bia desk no scratches abaso aha ntim we ye timer em se ni pono no ati machines na ti e projecting I just was in the local room. I know our Real Madrid. I just unia and funny about that. So be heard da and no akoso and some our Bernabeu. I just stadium our brothers and you know and some I update about on some no yet I'm here for Dominion say I branch of some I Ronaldo Rahu. Yes, what about and surgery no and some our Finland on the doctor. You found the last Limpanyan. I'm on the best surgery no at the Ronaldo Rahu no report I mean say Basa doctors libi and some abekwa kodano nas mamia no pay ya baba rum our studios na chesa kodana your friend Pedri when you cast or you serious no or your celebration on Spain and one acho and no pay Pedri any one na rum our Basa omo training facilities on ma walk amam penfo no and some let me access here at chesa ni no and some I kakra free o maso ye at the ba ho nsem no ye de ema ye for and some anopay and so I was show no so asansem ni no ye de eba and some I was dwumadi no so na me wabra me de ba ni no ma me front to him say Danny Olmo gentia me kai go do an asem actually na anopay no almost same say ene Basa hia hoden awon finfin ana ika gunu anso say onyini oyemre ahoden no de bobom no bi atwam ontumi nya the same strength emfa mobotina so mutumi ton gundu ande a wo som abekwa kofa ebia Olmo enso ajanaba a chese asom na me no kasa nyina no gundu an kodia Olmo abeba Olmo ameka na asem no so no mete se bamunchin enso abaso mo fa no enso ajanaba nyina no eye update no enso aba Gary Southgate say they see kwam say world cup no nyanko besta pedal anti eno and some and no Southgate area Jumano and so meza bibia find here
me adom fancy di Maria bibia e boko me ditumi se also ho ye let me say and various stories na be boba ne de and Mbappé day so Gary Southgate day na ka Southgate dey can never ho ben what am I say Gary Southgate dey can never ho ben but me say the boba no is coming home for no so e de omo ho aba bete inti ene yebedi no so ho nkomo na yehu se de ebesiti
Madrid enso hitipa
Madrid hitipa pa
bia beto from bia de be ma
oh of course na mahu se what the come mo update kakra me say de na boy ne bamu no bibia na kamo first stage ne to so na me hwa de kakra bi
omo the Champions League akoma dunum no akwa akosisi so tinye se bia Real Madrid di agro omo chiro se ba bia wo ba no ye dwumadi ye se ni ye di Champions League akoma 15 omo de nyina akọ stage ne so
masa enenya asem keto wo fancy on say ene ye ni nkomo fa Mbappé hu no ma ba be Remo Gary Southgate because ene Mbappé ne wo so ene ona na abeda so ene ye bon titi me ye sure say ene
Barca for no so
Barca for ni omo ni tete ho
Okay, to say.
Basa phone need to tell Omo heard the obesity ako. But today, let me whet your appetite, kakra. Fancy Di Maria. In the history of Real Madrid, let me say the Biana, you can't say Biana, you say Real Madrid is signing Galactico, Real Madrid is signing Galactico. Now, the perception and assumption around the Galactico, no, ni padona na dream you almost say Galactico is scanning the turn on the derby. And then you scanning the top player and my player near Galactico. In this particular aspect, because a scanner de toi, Ubetime sign player before be 80 million pounds, 70 million pounds.
Yes.
Does that mean say what sign player for 70 million pounds on a Galactico na derby? The term Galactico ni be a free banner. Anyhow, Real Madrid prefer their kind of players, you know, a 2-in-1 when it comes to this particular contest. You know, 2-in-1, yes, say one the brand of the player, Abram Kwako Fana de Naba, and number two the quality of the player. So it's about the brand and it's about the quality of the player. And the map player and he identify and say, oh, a Galactico. So Real Madrid will go in and pick up superstars or pick up stars and bring. And you'll be a superstar. Fancy ye. And you'll be a superstar. You will be a star. And you will be so urban on your star, on your superstar, but a quality player.
Okay.
It takes more than your quality on the field to be a star. It takes more than your quality and your star to be a superstar in this contest when it comes to Real Madrid. Now, fancy, yamu kompon ko echi kakra ne hwa de bi kakra. Kremo eneme no na be adwuma. Now, ye sha se a obehwe kaka. Abe Real Madrid ekwakofa no de na ba be piem Real Madrid in 2009. Fancy Di Maria, let's not forget that not Kaka in terms of quality with the AC Milan team. Over even in 2007 coming in, the level of performances or dying the dino. You could say Kaka was a quality player. Kaka was a star because na Kaka quite popular in the system.
Yes.
Ano Mukofa didn't buy for $72 million. It will be kind of say in and around 60 or 65 million pounds or euros. And within the BPM. You will give an exemption to Zinedine Zidane in 2001. Zinedine Zidane, before Mbappé came to Real Madrid in 2001, Zinedine Zidane was a World Cup champion. Let's not forget, in 1998, young France, even in 2000, were the Euros. 2001, the likes of the performances with even Juventus side. I would be PM Real Madrid. Fancy. Zinedine Zidane was a quality player. Zinedine Zidane was popular, but Zinedine Zidane was not a superstar. Yes.
Time of Madrid.
In 2001, Zinedine Zidane was not a superstar. Even in terms of brand.
No,
a brand.
Okay.
What did they mention us no? By say Abia, where the clout be, what the two players be to say. For example, David Beckham. Yabebo are also into detail. But already the superstar man David Beckham deba. And in your man better David Beckham in terms of nanya brando, na brands. Around David Beckham, not that magazine him, not that say na obeshe ni din ya. Zinedine Zidane had not got into that level. Gareth Bale mu nyina ba betwem ko. But ene me no yen kai ho mem ya hwebi kakra before ansana Real Madrid be on Kylian Mbappé no in terms of superstars joining Real Madrid. First of all, yen hwe Luis Figo in 2000 abra Real Madrid ekofa na dey free FC Barcelona buy yen tie kakra Fancy Di Maria yen hwe the way eno esiti ekoe. I want to whet your appetite for Kylian Mbappé bana over Real Madrid.
Del Real Madrid.
Creo que hay mucha gente que nos tiene que felicitar a todos por este triunfo. Rayos, colores, vencidos campeones. ¡Vista Barça!
Que si yo soy presidente del Real Madrid, Luis Figo, jugador del Real Madrid.
¿Dónde está el Figo? ¿Dónde está el Figo? ¿Dónde está el Figo?
Fancy Di Maria, this was Luis Figo. You could feel say he was attention as at that time. He was occupied with brands. He was a top player for FC Barcelona, and he was a face for the Portuguese national team. And the star man coming into this particular A team to come and play for Real Madrid. Now, all Bano team is not enough from cry. Yanko 2002. Abra Real Madrid, Eonvili Ronaldo de Lima or Ronaldo Nazario. Abra na Obabe sign at the Ama Real Madrid. Fancy over Ronaldo de Lima in 2002. But yanko to aso enko David Beckham. Abra na Obano. Na fancy we David Beckham Obana na enya bete kura masa. I don't know when David Beckham is tawa mia. Na her level now or done and the artist and enya bete kura. Sompa superstar in terms of the
Quizás algunos no lo entiendan.
2003 Real Madrid ebe on Villino esusu enie just to whet your appetite towards what it means to Real Madrid unveiling Galacticos. So from Figo to Ronaldo de Lima to David Beckham, you look at the kind of players at Real Madrid Diomoba, which they term as Galacticos. Any performances needs to be daddy. Nobody can tell us it's a Figo buy and the Figo was a flop. Obi antimi kan kire say Abra Ronaldo Nazario de Lima buy and na oye flop for Real Madrid. Obi aso antimi kan kire say Abra David Beckham e buy no na oye flop. This was a time the egu akire so on Siemens for no. Timi say mpanyifo na de jejemu David Beckham was wa Jenny Jesse. When me and mutim say kremo ko nanim kakra bo so big Gina Stadium on ya Ville. Those days no one say we na background ni ho no abeka say yakofa screen. In 2003, but this was huge. The number of people within the auditorium, and there's always the Don Florentino Perez. Or no energy danche. David Beckham na be Gina Park and so no. You could see some as a football and narratives and 9 bullets, you know. Chelbo to Tass and I say Real Madrid in the boss road and then. So you see a Galactico signing, and this is one particular example of what Real Madrid have always been. But a crowd, no. Of Ronaldo de Lima, she crowd of Figo, she crowd of Obiti say David Beckham. Then yanko Cristiano Ronaldo.
Sompa Sports.
Then you understand say Real Madrid had moved on from a certain level when it comes to Figo with the crowd and presentation. Don Florentino Perez has also moved on with the kind of crowd and the like come fast presentation of Ronaldo de Lima. Then Obabe Beckham. Then Cristiano Ronaldo accepted the standard.
Real Madrid
setting the standard and the bar.
Madrid can't tie on Vili player or stadium.
And there are few players who come in as Ballon d'Or winners. Kaka say, Obabe Pimo Real Madrid no a Ballon d'Or winner. Do. But Ocheki Luis Figo coming into Real Madrid, there had already been, he was not a Ballon d'Or winner coming into Real Madrid. Ronaldo de Lima in 2002, Oba Elemuna Obeje. Then Oba heard David Beckham on Jane or Deba. Then Oba Cristiano Ronaldo was the world best footballer before coming to Real Madrid. World best footballer. And we have video net that screen this now. Everything about the Ronaldo presentation was the standard. Florentino Perez and Ronaldo. And there's one constant figure, the Don Florentino Perez, who always makes this happen. This time around, Fancy Di Maria, Omar signed Figo $65 million. Ronaldo de Lima, $50 million. David Beckham, $40 million. Cristiano Ronaldo, $102 million. But there is Kylian Mbappé who is coming for free. And Fancy, it could be the biggest unveiling in terms of Galactico in the history of Real Madrid. This is a player, it is not only about the quality. This is a player which is about brand. We brand the the popularity. He is the captain of the French national team. And you look at Cristiano Ronaldo Boba and look at Kylian Mbappé. Fancy. Adena Real Madrid in terms of their history, the standard will be set high. Ronaldo Diana Bitremko. But I think Kylian Mbappé ever lifted everything around it to a different level when it comes to spectatorship. When it comes to attention, because when they Ebia Cristiano Ronaldo time no unya ebia popularly like Twitter near the idea be streaming your life consistently. But when obenya ewiase afena nyina also having the opportunity to reach the global audience through social media alone. Iti obefa supporters na was stadium no fancy dem hwani padodo
a fool
stadium na bomma say bram
fool
amanfo go akire. And he is not a Spanish. Yamfa say trim. Galacticos na Real Madrid so alancho mu in recent times amabubo mu dini nyina no. Unya Spanish wom. French for when you are Zinedine Zidane abubo mu din. Now there's another French that comes in. There has been 2 Portuguese, Luis Figo and Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo rezi ban him. Zinedine Zidane ya bene die. Now the standard is Kylian Mbappé doing this and Francis Di Maria. This is the biggest Galactico signing Real Madrid could ever think about.
After Ronaldo and
after Ronaldo,
Abesete.
Let me put it in context. In terms of unveiling Galactico, bringing in a top player, bringing in a quality with brands. Fancy watra munina. Hey, watra. I'm not saying in terms of quality or a better player than Figo and Ronaldo de Lima. Get me well. In terms of Real Madrid, Galactico signing with everything inclusive to be a Galactico.
Omoji player
actually no. Mbappé bro munina so. Mbappé or Beckham
Sompa Sports
or Figo so or Ronaldo de Lima so or Cristiano Ronaldo so. Wa bro so. The benchmark of Real Madrid, benchmark na Real Madrid has set in terms of Galactico signing no. Kylian Mbappé. And unveiling. Omansa so antwes ka bi anya dai. Ama PSG see ekwa akoto. Mbappé comes in. No agenda signing on fee bonus no. No ababe bobo no. And fashion trim say none of them na back club nim so ma be flop.
Okay.
None of them.
Come on say amount for the baso yema o maso credit because they are only the bewo ho. Obedi agu.
In the history of Real Madrid there are 4 players na me classify as top Galactico signings in terms of brands quality bibia e kan nyina abom say o Galactico. Meka Figo, Meka Ronaldo de Lima, Meka Beckham, Meka Cristiano Ronaldo. All 4 of these players, none of them came to flop. Mbappé is an European player who have seen it at that particular level. He's the captain of the French national team. Oba can say Galactico ba kwa no French o moko fan by Zinedine Zidane. Oba o flop e. Debi. Fancy, ye free Mbappé ho no quicker. Gary Southgate the adwuma na
Sompa Sport.
Now, adwuma na Gary Southgate the ato ho no. These are the questions we are asking ourselves. On mobile and fancy there was a meeting. Rick Parry Ono, a executive board member of the FA. Omotena asi di nkomo. At the same time, Omunya Debbie Hewitt, on a chairman, Anna McBallenham. Now, these were the topics Omu raised after the Euros. 1. Omuji 2 years say star players were picked over systems. They are tossing me nu. Omuji 2 years say now say Gary Southgate pay too much safety within a structure and a system. No almost as who adventure be say as an midfield no encleke enfa. Almost as who be say as a players no na chere the omo person omo ye enye like maximizing the weakness of the players no and paying close attention to the weakness of the players was not of concern to Gary Southgate. And almost arrested the development of various youth sectors no of Abia under 17 and 20 ni we nyina adeba. Fancy memeti yi ene nkomo ayedi.
Some passports.
A short list in here. Eddie Howe, Graham Potter, Mauricio Pochettino, Thomas Tuchel, Emwache 2. Ebi muso omunko back to Fabian Capello, and Goran Eriksson mo, and Eddie Howe, and Graham Potter. Fancy. Baby England project in Edruno. Any coaches no more than if they want to win, they should go for Thomas Tuchel.
Thomas Tuchel. Okay. Well, Mezame da say, Mike.
Fancy. Yeah, baby, are you okay? My memfa akomia de kakran fenwe. You see, Bema baby wa menyeni na, and let us understand this thing in life. Yeah, baby, I'll draw up him. Unless say a creative space, I will cap on him mouth. Ye hwie ade ne gum na cap ne ayema cap ne yesen size saying ebia a 500 ml. Where she content the good cap name nedru 500 ml. You cannot top it up unless you get a bigger cup. And it's unfortunate that Gareth Southgate this ending to the England tenure, but it was supposed to come at a point in time. Southgate has done well with the English national team, especially on performance at the international stage. Again, emphasis here say England national football team no omaje only one significant trophy in the entire history. Football is coming home no. Historically, the more tracy the early beginnings of football from omo end. Sabo ne sha say free omo good. But they are not serial winners. Inti abakru wani jimua omaje bakope 66. Under Southgate, they were able to emulate their best ever World Cup performance after 1966 year no. Omo best the fourth place finish omunya 1990. Southgate the omoko 2018 omu the fourth in the World Cup Russia. Obeshe Euros in Eswa. It was disappointment upon disappointment, and this is the record. Euros the omunji bida. But before Southgate, their best ever appearance had been in the semi-final into show. Gareth Southgate in England embarked the final of the Euros in Ebibda. Under him, they've played back-to-back finals and improved on their best ever Euros performance. Well, that was the semi-finals in 96. Onokoko say a penalty. Emma Mulusi out on that slot to Germany. So he has improved them on the Madrid stage, but there is no trophy to show. But he has built a solid legacy at the English national team. And to be a backers, onya the omunya the crime, me no onya drink. But what we were saying is that what we drew the ceiling, he cannot go past it. Okay. The England person omuye sisi you know, any the Southgate ebetimi ayeno ebebra. He can build, he can solidify them. Bemoma formidable. They will get consistent results because before Southgate, people England watching the pound. He wrote a Croatia dear Croatia for you free momentum and qualify with Slaven Bilic, Steve McLaren.
289.
Exactly.
So now Slaven Bilic.
Yeah. Croatia. Yeah. They have endured missing out on tournaments before.
Sompa Sports.
Euro 2016. Yerefi. And their World Cup 2014 swear. So they were not performing like this before Southgate. But he's able to build a core. And with Jomo, a rich future. Because in Kodane, whoever inherits the team will continue with the process. But the next appointment should be a manager who is thinking, mentality, and personality is suited the next agenda for England. The next agenda idea is to win. Spain had not won until they got Aragones. Aragones was a winner. I won a coaching career with Atletico Madrid. So they brought on a winner to win with them. And Aragones be breaking Jinx New Year, who was next? Vicente Del Bosque, who was also a winner. Our Madrid. And the Omobeje World Cup. And to check you. You need winners to win. You need builders to build. Builders can win. Okay. But builders necessarily don't win all the time. But winners, they win all the time. To me, England team way, Odema Jose Mourinho, he will win. I'm telling you. England team way, give it to Jose Mourinho, he will win. Mourinho bought see a tournament. Rafael Benitez, he will win. Ancelotti, he will win. Pep Guardiola, he will win. And the options now come up about boy in the day. I think to me, of the options, Graham Potter to me England Eddie Howe on to me no more. Eddie Howe saw Metis level. What the Champions League come here, Newcastle Cup Champions League no she say baby level no one over form purely crab Bruno Stefano purely Bruno so to me of the options Akomia mentioned if say more there then it should go to Tuchel. He's the best option of the list now. And I'm saying Tuchel had the best of the options of more. England needs to move to a winning stage. And they need a winning manager to implement a winning mentality. Southgate a baby. but bako for an insan so nyame ni kata into we kata kakra na we akata kakra collectively into obi be share story na say no obi abewie. So he has started the story, a beautiful script, but the other finality be
Sompa Sports.
I don't think it is. Important near the house. England should break tradition again and go foreign and get a serial winner. I think it will help them. Transfers mukakra now di VVD home komo. So this is the issue. Omo free Euro 2024 no na Van Dijk has said now is not the best time to talk about his future. Now the way he spoke, most of the Liverpool followers were a bit skeptical. Said Van Dijk will commit to the medium term at the Liverpool Bobokono. Now there's a stance of the club. Liverpool and Kasan won't say they've been slow this summer. Among top players giddy. As at last season, summer say no come we bear 2 deals to cry. Good. What they want to do is that it's a new team, new manager Naba. They will want him to assess and quadra youth woman because they believe they have quality youth. No who baby obeshamukina. What positions are they looking to strengthen? Center back, wide attacker, and then defensive midfield. Wide attacker and then Anthony Gordon D Eddie Abim. Central defense, they feel if a year Cameroon Matip they will need to get a central defender who they can also groom because Konato or Van Dijk or Kwanzaa is in. So if they get one, no a solid a beboa, then they are looking at the defensive midfield. The club wants to study the academy options available. Say as lot person be then it will inform how they react at the transfer window. So if you're a Liverpool fan now, just relax because it is a club process. Now the stance on Van Dijk, and they say almost say he spoke out of disappointment after say Netherlands ne free. Into Netherlands almost free Euros nim and no disappointment no they kasa about the future. But what they want to do is that they want to allow time to make sure Van Dijk is able to calm down. Holidays be a veteran na dream free so kakra. Then when Van Dijk returns, the way forward. But they are very optimistic. Say the Nassau at the end is why bufu no posti on a club in the closing stages of club. Netanya I say in Chinwasheka Krebini way, they want to allow time. When Van Dijk returns, then he will be able to appreciate an slot better. So coach nation vision. Now players wash any there. Then eventually they can look at an amicable solution. So don't be scared. Say Van Dijk Ibejai. Me, I am hopeful. So he will continue with them and help build with a slot, a Dutch coach. Definitely, Dutch people love to help their national colleagues in sanity. Mbappé fanfare no. Would you believe if I told you, say, the Causeway Day was a prophecy captured in a book? Everything they manifested no. Ya sema ya katu ya tro ya documented, and Mbappé knows what he's doing. Boy, no, the drone and nam.
Mbappé.
Yeah, or the drone and nam.
Or the drone.
A drone in the chi.
Or your voodoo.
And your voodoo. But they can't do a voodoo. What is voodoo? A spiritism. And to call dear bompire. A drone no nam no a empire bona boy. And to we are see a draw. A drone and chess at the bonnet.
It's in a bonnet.
Your medium of worship and where you want to tell towards. Obi back on the traditional.
Sompa
Obi back on the Islam. Obi back on the Christian. Different beliefs, but a spirit na nam. And the end of the day, papa, the end of the day, bonnet. And Mbappé no me say or the drone and nam. Na se bibi dinechia a piano. And just say drone a bonnet.
Okay.
And I'm saying this because boy, when in life ni ashada ni actual they at all. And they are manifesting it. He's living a dream. I mean, Kanasa. Mbappé is living a dream. First example, Mbappé wore Monaco or more academy in 2014. And Yama Academy in Kodane say Omonya assignment in Fambra. And imagine say wa Kodano, wa be star magazine be na opesa obede nim and ansembe na obetro enso dieguso. Kremaya crowd omboy with Mbappé. The Time magazine. Now, this is a 16-year-old Mbappé in 2014. I'm not quite this mock-up. When your Time magazine, papo, a mock-up or the exercise, no. Watch Kylian Mbappé, El Maestro. Now, watch La Priorité de Deschamps. A bit in the Mbappé near the priority of Deschamps. Or near the key player of Deschamps. On your France captain. Good. Or can wait in 2014. Le meilleur jeune du monde. Now is a top scorer of the world. World Cup Ojedien. Golden Boot.
Yes.
But he said this in 2014. Then Kylian said Lavenet one a kind Jose Mourinho. Cotier in Sama Mourinho Akafa Mbappé. Now, fast forward from 2014 to 2018, time for Nankasa Beye a magazine with the face of Mbappé on it.
We need to say homework na the man.
Where your homework?
I'm afraid you fast forward.
Real one in here, next generation leaders time, Kylian Mbappé. 4 years. 4 years in a done team.
Some passports.
4 years in a done team. Why did he choose the Time magazine? Me name the account of coaches who Time magazine. I can't explain. But a dance on a chinchina trying. I didn't be my time by. What if I told you say Mbappé life no living no? Obia believe the amana ebusiana hwesa trait ne so no mo dey improve Mbappé die no. Good. Ye will be a fan Jires Ikoko. Jires Ikoko ye Mbappé ne adopted brother of DR Congo. Ne papa born 1974 World Cup ni bi. Ekoko Mbappé papa ne mame. And the fan Wilfred and then Pfizer. No more fan say o ma adopting his own beke busuana no. And Ekoko ni the first player this family they managed. Ombema na bo France under 21 national team near there. Good. Kremo boame with this cartoon video of Mbappé and Ekoko. Neti and Seme Koso.
Yeah. Thanks. This is the jersey
I'm not sounding in Ambra.
Okay, you start it.
I'm back! Cheers! Hey, I got a present for you. Thanks. This is the jersey I wore when I scored twice against Estonia.
Scoring twice is good, Jerez, but it's not a hat trick. Watch this. And Mbappé, the French national team's new young striker, blasts past one defender, and another, and another. He shoots, scores!
A book Mbappé Troy, Je m'appelle Kylian. On a far in a cabo momotro book, no. It captures what has happened in the past with Mbappé and it projects the future for Mbappé. A coco now make an honor no aban in your penny.
Also, Jesse no
or 36 years. Good.
Against
Wamba France national team or about under 21. No share 2 goals. The only goals he ever scored for France. And Mbappé catch and say, oh, we share 2 days enough. This meeting was in 2009. And it happened.
Some passports.
Mbappé catch 2 goals in enough. Me, I will do more than that. Now France new young striker. Eba be fa podium no. Now I hear the oye. Good. Give me the cartoon of Mbappé. Book where I'm no. There is an interaction where during Christmas, Mbappé mamia koto Real Madrid jersey. Ana odebre Mbappé. Now, already I will try a French way. I will try and then translate and then make you understand for you. My many man also, Kylian Makoto jersey be abo Mbappé jersey ana jersey ben wakoto na se we dey emite. Adebayo mame di eni bi no wakoto aba no. Na unji ndi say emita. Check cross na da Madrid logo nim na we he. Na am so na jiwe na se na se we dey. O se dey bi men sheda. Ade ye fake there Real Madrid jersey ye fake there. Me men sheda. No ne mame ne pem so pem say no se mame ne nima ye kokko kaka ebufu aba. Na Mbappé ka ten so okay. Unless a Real Madrid club nankasa change in the logo no you cross ni film ana me meshe anase me manyini na mababe bobo no na makobo e de ahye jersey ne de ama Real Madrid. And truly Mbappé washe Madrid on 2 or 3 occasions. They washe ni na your official merchandise from Madrid on chef fake da. And today he will wear the official jersey of Real Madrid and he will become their player. So he's living the dream. And Ochinaya Ba, I will come and tell you why. Or more Madrid team, they will have to think about PR, marketing, commercialization. Boy, we know. Wabwana honoba and obemo mo papa Vinicius. What say our company, our US, Los Angeles. Yeah. The company, your friend is Zebra Valley. Our money MBA or partnership. So the NBA will find a way to promote Mbappé. Vinicius, who kwaje fans will obey. Ti fans more than more than boy ordinary janenam
we on prime for
bisane say oka Spanish no say ai oka English oka Spanish he speaks like 4 languages because
send on dey make say Cavaya say on oka Spanish
oka di Spanish in common no chema
yes Mbappé e de no enso eno no na yemra so na fe remember to us real quick Leicester Ghana Limited on the Jans toothpaste and Jans toothbrush no enso aba e wadwaso enye 90 bomodian so be pebi enso ato ye Jans total care Jans herbal and afi Jans white nyina no enso e toothpaste and afi toothbrushes no ye prince our princess our duke your Duchess and I feel someone could add the so count and for brush with teeth anopa and you men and num and your shamu prebi out and yana and I will just so a Jean's toothpaste and I feel Jean's toothbrush who drew a doom pieces get around about one of my ones ebe kebi 0501 390337 0501 390338 na chesa on Jans empanifono and some and kasa bafu polo and so be you come out what the African print and a juma African print or the palm entire the platinum package our 20 shirt a fake diamond package our 15 and a gold package our 10 silver our 5 and a bronze our between 1 equals 4 nina as African print or the ma and so and remember buffalo classics ya de lapel tops and in the shorts lapel tops and some and in the trousers aba just saying na say o si pro design biano obetwa neat ama also when you be ashna fe also what the musrum ko ye pedwuma for anti say what minka and some anopai we your fashion designer saw your banner saw your bema unma depoma bafu polo say yen kan tro say bra hwe na kira kwan wa henema kokoben off santase kwan so 0599 899 919 0249 600 789 na chese onim penfono and so and kasa bibia be fine and some jamal amof won ye de
boko at the same
what's the
at the same
na me adome ho ye pa
mo this kind of journey me no wa ni unya iska if you on frame me bi Mike on frame me bi mo bro obi a if you fufu patas me no ne kodi ni nyina
me no ne di that
oji sika wi e di okasa no bi wa block me line me fe na ma
banyo
ne ka air condition me na me chen be fa ko ho
see say the on few gra
just ne ka hu bibia is gra de
so what in advance you start here no ko deposit ka say onyaka hu issue bia omonye nti wotua in advance
Sompa Sport
panche no aye ya den kamne wa
amen
ya maba Samia be trouble na trouble na me baba be film ba ma prepare na maba
say me minimum because so you okay say e kan is kan for na me so yi e mu free one ma Dr. Blessed mu free wa mo na mo ba
ba na de miniska ska de mo ba ne pa me tie de miniska
I will catch you now. My doctor, they were why are they?
Care picanto.
Why are they? So, what do you internal rounds? Oh, yeah, now, Uchi Highlander, new type.
Yeah.
So, I'm over drone to say,
oh, of course. Yeah, we're doing the same. I'm yadum.
No more package in booster bam,
baby,
police. And I'm in the Kotoyo, you're calling Kotoyo.
Oh, wow. And then next week, my boss, I'm doing the young bro. Obi mo on Pedro, Obi on the near, on the. I have Obi on woman a drug on pet. Do here as a 02 figures, Naba, a big gusso, and then Yaje. By a draw, oh, Mikey, the minims on the Pedro, Ampa. You can't dress them the way you Mike every. Yeah, you must. Heba mixture enye tintin bia say de bia e kan e kakra bi e drone na da screens ni so no e drone de o ba bia drugstore pharmacy ba bia nyame adom drone adanse e wo ho ni e bebre ade ba kwa ya na de bia mani gi wo drone we say ho no o ya de te se den kra na ya okokoto drone we say no ma e ye den ya unya impact no unya nsunsu aso e dey papa na eni ekokoba ni se sɛ honam yaw bi na ɛyɛ wo sɛ bia wada sɔre asɛ wo ho nhyɛ dan kɔ wo yie ne ɛyɛ a ya wonya aduro bi no ma ɛboa wo yie paa ana imbu sɛ ba mixture no de bia na doctor ka sɛ aduro no sometimes ya obitimi frɛ no wɔ Canada nse aya na ye ho adwire ba ye de nim sɛ aduro no bitimi ayɛ but sɛ ɛyɛ boro so all because sɛ wo de aduro no si wɔ na wo yɛ sɛ oh normal to aso on konko yɛ sɛ bia oh menom one bottle unse yen local base unse onom ba ko no de akresu obi okra wakoto adura onom no onom half a no de esi o se ohun ze adura na de age no yen speaking like magic yen kasa ye adura ni ye magic we o any o de okoto ba ko pekra da bi yen dwa yenum yen say the moment na wabekọ hospital mo fai wa adura na de na nom to aso the mo a wo no nom to aso na afọ bu nse eyo mo aduma na eboawo na weki uni peduanim aduro de wo nom a ade ba ko ne se wonya hu se aduro na akwakoyi wo yare bia ba eno nkyere se aduro ne nya papa da bi imbus ade ba ko timi ye no the moment na wo nom imbus no bonse ya na akopushu wo yare bia de aba eno kyere se yade na sie uni pedua
boa kra no
of course sa ade na sie ya obi be ko hospital ni ya detect se yare se na wanya it means se yare na sie ni pedua ye de ache afei na doctor na hu se wo ba en doctor na examine hu se ne oje o sabi wo janan no dun so ne ko wura lab oba no aba be ka cho se yare se na ba ni pedua enye se dana ne ba yo ene watena saa afei na ayede ayi ne ho so it means say unya imbu se ba Mr. Dribi na no ma saa haw ni nyina e be free on ma ayede akomisro di hia se dro no de be yi odru a obe no ma ayede ato aso unse meka se nyina meka se obe no ma ayede ato aso se bi yare bi metena ho 5 years 10 years ne wate yenkan na wo pese okoto adro ni bi nom na afei obo nse o twen ya se ebia o de one bottle pe ebetu yare atena ho for 5 years so ye meka se adro ni ye magic ye numbers ni go screen so numbers ni nyina eye mienu na go screen so utie radio na me so sisi ame na wo ka sei ebia wo de yare bi ha oni pedua wo nti bibi ase wanom aduro saa wo hu ni ye ni ade a wo de a ne se wo be frɛ ye numbers no me pa cho utie radio na 0246 208 496 0246 208 496 and afi 0261 388 149 hey we e numbers a ofra me no kase sisi a doctors e wo ho a ofra bibia ni a wo no be de e be di ho nkomo because ye wo mere de ma wo bia dani de nyina ye hwese apomuden doctor no ni nani so ade hu nyina ne se apomuden enkoye den enkomo nipa da sani ja apomuden obi aboboa no be bia obi a obenya apomuden na apomuden so be de e be ba be ye fo ye de e de ama me so me kase bia wo twen a se me keka yare na abobo yare ni din ze da bi me se yare ba betan oni padua so ama me immune system no papa immune system na brantie se wa ye mere wo mpem a immune system no because se moja ni ntimi ndia fu sani ye wo ni padua ma it means say den na yare be ye de e ba betan oni padua so ene be bia wo temi nka bia wo dia ne se obetu anamo no akwakope imbus e kira kwan edro ne de enye na wo drugstore pharmacy herbal shop omaimu ha bia o de ben drugstore ne ben wo kira no de o market no no ubowura odu no asemipi imbus herbal mixture imbus herbal mixture se edro ne omo afre no police ni no edro no epacho ese green and white box amachuman bi ekura dade a wamaso wodi akosoro mo wonfanto se ahoden no ntimi so edro no number ni hiam ye pa wodi afrisisi a wanom bi da na wadanse bi kura na ofre na abetimi ni ayede ahye bibi na wonte ase a ofre abetimi ni ayede ahye number ni 0246 208 496 0246 208 496 adeze uzika ba o mas in Ghana maza 0246 208 numbers 496 mane nyoma mane de mishani bia ntokwa nko anti yaw na ne kura de tikura ama ne maba nyina ne se
that's right
doctor nyame adom Dr. Steven Nyako Sharp police ni na duro no international yaw wa bomodin akwakofa company ba kwa ba be kan
oh okay
on se wo hwa atare ehemi ya se wo ho okay ye imbus pharmacy A wholesale.
Oh, nice.
See, the product, UK product, Chinese product, a product beer.
Pharmacy, big one.
Fantastic. We nyam kwala pharmacy. A drop beer de now ko wholesale na. Baby I stocking your money guno. Ya.
Some passports.
Time be fan say, ya mo flow in na kra. Mo flow in na. Yes, because unemia brese wo ye pharmacy. Enti me no ka say no, ya ade ba kwa me pena say o de abafo. Say a wholesale. Into who they are betu.
Mo ye to say bia. We pharmacy kra tim ko tunu money.
Oh, we pharmacy now a wholesaler. Oh, kra timi aba betu no ni bi dey. Ho no no. What you say enti we ni ya ba dia ma obi a. Ya enu ni bo ne de e wo form. E na isi a me ka say be bia wo de o hwe me bia no. Wo hen kra na wo de o nya free number na. O bobo adru nu an say o de list na dey. E de ama wo mo. Wo de list ne ma wo mo a. Omo abebo adru no. Ba bi obi am de wo de be send o. Ya. Say delivery no. Simple. What you say? Na you say no ya be pie mo okode.
Okay.
Kode bo ho.
Okay.
Kode ya ben Methodist church one na very nice. Imbus pharmacy. Dia be bia obi a o sehwi. Ya kro dadam be bia obi a. Odo ani chire mu a. O de o frɛ ne a number no 0246 208 496 drugstore for pharmacy for over the counters obia you know no registered one herbal ones ni nyina bi yede e wo no mo de offer wo de lost man ya e be bo na afi no aboa ma won so no watimi aye de edudwa ye panji ya memre na so
mate ye da se
memre na so na na are nyabotre ya ado na afa me ana wo na mba nji ya bomodian say drone de we pay bia be de obenom ononom to aso a eboa wo ye pa ma onya hoden mapa
first day
imboost heba mixture no first day na that time they want to asem them fabroso ya ma me fancy
yes and team pedro ni bi ento enye na ewa dwa so aye police ni adrodo owura pharmaceutical shop ene heba shop bi mu a wo de enko ha ho wo so police ni adro ahye ne box mu kama be bi amanafo nya bi abamanioma enso aye fine dem yes yenko commercial break emra sese e ba na ya ba beto aso na afi de aka ni nyina na so diamonti ya ba sese e
Wana metesa wo ba no se wo kɔ Canada.
Woko suku.
Na yesi ajape aba no nso okɔ na nso no de okɔyɛ adwuma.
Me say amanfo akɔ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no hwa na de won kɔ saa no.
Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa akɔ ama no ne de. Wo de obakɔ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Next year visit and now turn so Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa wadobeko. Say ya juma so wadobeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Asafo Labor roundabout wa and crying. Kanechi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani Silver House, High Court. Tamale, Ayama Building, Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our my bebre so telephone 055550067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say mani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufuo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Nina Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Who that the evidence bang? And then Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku hu. Ashford Princess. And now bra could you dear so Ashford Galaxy. What dear na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now my media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush card.
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bro dodomi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofa bedaso. To phone for 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag.
Brad, and not so good.
What time about Michelle see about Queen Wayne and say?
Brad, said your time about Mister. It's your Jimmy fearful, and not your back ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Brad, so make us a the time about Mister Juan Dancia. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. Where run the time about Mister?
And you go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What run the time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. The one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the total about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziba a woman. Ubenya be at all over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do a name. FDA agi a judging cratoi at home.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hia yi pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne ahaban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye brakasa powder brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya brakasa powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 brakasa powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum
Efieranum mo fam asomfa mekakra na nneje sama bakrom mo amodan ho papai mo a ensuoso anu nom fam no amekho nyina frofro any leakages ahodo eham wo mu fie iPon2 contractors added the polystyrene insulation aba eno na baboa medan na papai no ene ensuo a enu nom dan ho amekho nyina frofro no eto nyina betwa iPon2 contractors say so what to blocks na wia enhia so be plaster kra bi omo wo fiber cement plastering mortar yede fa dan ho nyina enhia so be to cement ontwa anwia bia na wonhia painting so esanse iPon2 contractors at the fiber cement plastering mortar no efa ho wia ebe te said ya painting dan na wiempo entie dan ho be ya so na ha fefefe iPon2 contractors ama sese de nema yefo e de ama fie wuranom ne bo nso da fom na efe wo de your dan so echem fie pi na emfa ehyew bia so ema dem iPon2 contractors aye expert in construction interior and exterior decorations e wo fie ahodo nyinem de hia ni so be from 0555 118-684. Shishayan.
Ewa Abrepo Junction, ship mu a eben JP filling station.
iPon2 contractors wo we die. Enso bia no nom ye dan bie. Dan ni nyina so be ye fafiball.
So wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye perhaps ahodo. Baby bia unya wallpaper de do juma biano. OP wallpapers Efro. Yama wallpapers ebe macho blind curtains. Eba no bedside lamps and so OP MR types or man shapes. Colors ahodo ni nyina. Ubenya bia to ewa na so ye ho. Say open LED backlight at the above flash screen echia. And also OP ebe Mobi. So self ring lights. I'll do phone bishim. A OP wallpapers and a bema self ring lights. OP Ewo Kumasi Doom. First floor. Nana Kwesiajman building name. Tafo GNTC building first floor. Anna Chronom or barrier on the market and Edian Mche. So open wholesale and answer retail. Any OP any in Southwell. For OP our 0540 353750.
Baba Gentleman Dental. Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do my dear idea and say, BCC will sing. Now your bow will sing by Amawonum and so acti and I say, or sing animal yams were fun to my part. If you fix one no, and I say, you type for a permanent one no, and also you see a ultimate aim to give, and no, and you feel the PFM bridge, and I say PFM crown. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, no more, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, Ibia and never be as she says, a cinema, said you Okasa, it's me, my pampa, and I the able. Oba Gentleman Dental, ye Nina be a Gentleman Dental Clinic, you walk for Lydia, Central Police Station and Chanwa, and I would do and kind so sway you nungwa, and atomic down, Domekwa being a runabout on so, and I would do takwa the pipe one, traffic light and a pipe one, ye OGN Bank and with the same premises, and a Tachiman so your magazine market a quine suwa, and I say opposite AY Ahmed, and I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, Total Filling Station, traffic light na and if G runabout on free Total Filling Station, I have sign on a edio. A year you may free Eda Joda Popem Eda Memeda. With me, Afreya Homano, it was 055 913 9582.
The Parliament of Ghana presents the Maiden Democracy Cup match between Accra Hearts of Oak and Asante Kotoko. Also featuring Parliament 11 and ex-Black Stars players led by Stephen Appiah. Date, July 17, 2024 at 3 p.m. at the Accra Sports Stadium. Rate, popular stand 20 cedis, upper and lower VIP 50 cedis, VVIP 100 cedis. Partners, Ministry of Youth and Sports, France Embassy in Ghana, GFA, Beyond the Return, Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. Sponsors, GCB Bank, Bethel Logistics, Ghana Gas, GNPC, ADB Bank, BCM Ghana, Stellan Automotive, Goyle, NPA, Zoom Lion, Interplus, Anglo Gold Ashanti, KGL, NLA, Wembley, Shippers Authority, NHIS, Petrosol, World Vision, Azam.
The walk on every street.
Bafu Polo no or the Africa Print Textiles and a pump Nadia Bia into your pump Africa Print Polo shirts, round neck shirts, golf shirts, V-neck shirts, any P or Palmer to 4 betu kogu on stores, any boutiques, empty. So also in your Juma, betu cotton, na on Tisomount, churches, fan clubs, schools, unions, any a Pia Muhia Dodono, Edema members no, any students no, Mumra, Monso Mope Friday wear, Edema workers, Bafu Polo, hey Cham, our gold package, and on Tadeno Esemo Dream, silver package, Esemo Dunum, and a bronze, and so Semu Du, or yet delivery, Echo Mama Fanaba Bia, Bafu Polo and Tadeno, so yes, Echo Bia, now a Pamama, any member Nina, Bafu Polo, Ewo Kumasa and Marco Cobain, Santasin or Boise Quanaso, telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919, and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and so you're at Bafu Polo. Me say, so say Bafu Polo dia. Oh, and you now
Yemre na fe yemra meto aso enso emfemfia na fe Breno so aba be hwe de fifi enso eba Fibo Ventures Fibo Ventures enso omo toothbrushes no ene toothpaste enso ewo pose golden dudo bi abese otobia no onsa enso ebeka ye wo Afrefresh about toothpaste no ana chese aye toothpaste aye kamfo ediama wo di twi osia boa wo ema chese wo gam enya hoden ema wo seno so nya na hoden kama fe sama na efita ema chese wo nimonyam bia obese eba bia na ebeba obekọ nipam obekasa nipam obi nyiniti ento nchen wa bra wo kasa school ni wo mpese bia wo chese group studies emu na musua de na beba se wo kire wadwene obi nyiniti e de ato nchen basa ya na e de how eba e de nim guase eba nti Ashford Prince ene eye ne princess executive ene evidence galaxy ene friendly ni nyina no enso ayo toothbrushes a Fibo ana kwakofa e de abapo se golin ho eye 0535 452263 na wonso waje de time about product no enye na ewo dwaso na ka cho se edura ye fa ne time about mission na era so ye ngon adwuma ewo ni padwane mo uyo bia honam eye omre ana simple wa test malaria no na mpa abase bia mo no wo mo gyan mu a wadro no eye time about mission betu malaria se ama wado ho kama ama ho dema pan so aye odia ya de ne basa ya no wonum anto wonum enye odaduane kra no wontene da wadro eye time about mission adra fa ne time HH about mixture and afi ni capsules no eno ebeboa wo ba ebeboa be man ti so your ba na wo to a ya no ato bi sere be abema ne benya bianom ana bema so to aya to no duduom na ma wife enso no bi obianom bi esiesio e ma neoma so eye fine e wase ho edema wo eboa e ma ho che eboa ma bema so ahoden e ba o mema yom na mpokwa na boa ma wankasa wo general well-being enso akoye eye 0244 417669 we youth now perjuma ya Ghana gross jumedie no amperfo se yen kan trust bribe mo juma agriculture agribusiness vocational skills and afeme ka say a technical ni nyina no jay and ye do from way a Mastercard a foundation springboard road show and a way Limehouse amperfo and a day aba a 0308 255775 Branaba Judgment ye Kulun Ghana Limited say China phone no ne way aye China phone no bina omo ha mana chese nuane hini and omo dia drive fa say Mr. Kill ye start this year ton e Ghana che ono Mr. Kiwa ayi sisi yade low libido and afa slow erection bema or premature ejaculation ebeja ebeko araba bazen tablet aye medro tatahwe or ba menstrual disorders or cramps eba ojo ho anje wo ne kan say menstrual pains on a bema shema jaw ana wotia we drone araba bazen tablet no bema wo drone so awote yaw obeso bo prostate ho ban and what you drone so bema ehihyewa ne nyina no enso hunchu capsules ana beboaw baby atondro bi akọ ne kopebito 0244 275429 na chese wonso wacho de make out say the maiden edition ma democracy cup eba so nyame anma yo chena na Terra One Media yekita exclusive right in tishano so me say ya the live broadcast and I feel live commentary bema popular stand 20 Ghana chese VVIP no eba no lower and upper and no 50 Ghana and a VVIP as 100 Ghana chese ni na no Terra One ayade media ne kita nti Terra One TV Sompa TV so anafe Sompa 93.1 FM mpokwa stations a ne nyina e kan Terra One ho ne nyina no enso ebefa dwumadie live ama nneoma so aye fine e de ama ya Sante Woroko ene House of Folk ene bo nyame arbo chena mo before na chese Curtain Raiser no enso aye Ghana Parliament House members no e bo e de tia former players and my Black Stars a chese ne nyina no enso aye chena o say
give me a live.
Terra One exclusive right.
TV.
Yes.
And Facebook so benya hwe kama na bibia.
Na members of Chrome as what they call
exactly. Nti obo ho say abumo to commentary ni na akomia so
sports.
Next obebo mu akopem 11:30 PM anadwo no. La. Fan form
Yes, Okrache trains. And the kaftan, political suit. After 3 pieces, and a kaftan and vest a womb, and a baby abeso could be or web one my own baby across me shake. Nina no Okrache trains as be Jew come. Now say kaftan say auto 5 Obenya Makoma, Obenya Bako area. So say buy 5, get 1 free arches. And Nina no Okrache trains or no, I want some anayeka area. Udra Suyabwa Junction, Snit Flat, a chuan mape, and all Cratchet Trains, and so are all yet Juma. Friend was 0244 074367. Not just say Ono Penino, and so and Casa Qualitac Dental Clinic, Qualitac, as a crown and a bridges, or yeah. After bano complete aye dentures, a dental implant, aye cosmetic dentistry, and as orthodontics aye treatment and awope sebia wonum oseno obeso ye scan any x-ray obeso ye cleaning and polishing aye teeth whites and nasem po denture aye therapy and abeso kwa ni nyina no aye Cratchet trains and aye kamfo a day ama enano people morian so be ko na fi wakwa mo ma hwe wan wo se enwonsem enso adiama patase ya no obehu omo ewo patase omone chesa management building emu ana cheso omo so ewa mo ben Vegas 0538250078 where your Qualitac Dental Clinic and want some near catch on no 0545906888 now on empedophono and so and Cassana Bibians and your fine from out yena iPhone 2 and pedopho enwe opani bibia aye kama de
yanko panda ma bibia kama na so e
anyam yadum kakra kra eguso
so no de agi bibia
ai ende so ni twade pan de ton no ho itina ma ma swaye sa no ai na zen su de ensuo no tuto na no my bibia makwe obi a jene dan wia otimi so movie ma ba won na bu
oh
ensuo no tuto ensuo na bu no
ene bobo na ma ne che na je number ne koma no
Mama me iPhone 2 numbers in the screen so no number na very simple number ba ko pe
sa
e mo bi anso na da open na mo number bi
ka bi wenku a obi a obi use number fufuro bi ano se bi o timi ma police scratch no
number na 0555 na se 5 no kwanya me ensa 0 and a 5 makoma akoma ensa 118684 118684 iPhone 2. What you say?
Yeah, dear, no, dear. CDC and say, your mouth and no man, I dear Jumano products and a materials. Na ya yama. Na dear, sure only say, ye yamawa and maybe. And Tiana Titu, dear, or musi down for front. And I am a tower almost so far. If you say, oh, sit down. Old method now use na what one to cement ya bo plaster ma wa wi emritie mu ahwe unko dan mu kura na ase no ya to tiles na ase na draw tiles na curtain out the two ye ne soro na efroko
Sompa Sports
entino eye dan sa de na beba amenda ntu di paint kan ya sa white paint na andre fefe no na yellowish bi draw so
we ne dan enko na oma wawai edi bibi
ebe fresh cement no say liquido say solid da first annual cement no da bo na afroko no soro na dada na adrodro na ye de no de timi de ense si ebose ye yema wa saade emabio
ne say e drodro was no afro akọ pop mu kra de ha da wa na
ebuagu say e didi ba no ebeduru ba bi no do nsa prae fa ho kra na adwirigu
ase frufru
gufo no na ye de na try and tested ye ba system ye nyi
some passports
ma biom ye ne kra na wa obenhu se ye adwuma na kra hu se ade na ma enti ye simple dan no obi anu a ode da ko si fie
yes
enti no man anka se de ye adwo otima to kakra ni aba ye kakra ma otobi ni aba ye kuzita ma de ubewi enti wu si dan fofora omo na ya na me wo omo so pa because omo tim dada no ye koye ma wo mu nyina no yisi ko twa dan na se ko re mota no free the blog no ho na ka blog no ya aba na ye wi a ya bo plaster ketua bi ato so abe si dada nani nti wo painti dan na obiara hu sɛ yɛayɛ no bibi
wow
nti sɛ wɔ dan inside a yɛyɛ wie a na wo painti wo dan inside a na ɛfɛfɛfɛ ka
nti ka bɛnya kora na sɛ de wo kana na entwɛn ma na nyansa what starting na wo to foundation na mo me hu 1.2
tiawa nti nka foundation na na yɛnka yɛhyɛ aseɛ kakra bi ni ayɛ ama wo edu time a wo bɔ plaster no ni ayɛ finishing no asa wo dan no everofro biom na wo pɛ written agreement kura me se yɛ yɛbɛyɛ ama wo we ni me adwuma no city enti I.2 no yɛ wɔ Abrepɔ Junction Kumasi Accra branch no baabi yɛ store ne wɔ mu no soso yɛ wɔ rep Accra sisi ayɛ kasa enti wo Accra wo fra nipa bɛba abɛhwɛ wo dan na ma
yes
na yɛ estimate ama Kumasi baabi a Kumasi Abrepɔ Junction ship mu ha wo ba yɛ wɔ hɔ no ɛna Kumasi Ghana ha baabi a ɔboase kora de na sɛ yɛ adwuma hɔ bebree ane dunkwa ne mine areas no de so ho de wa onim tua ensuo no danche a na mo yi no omo asase na mine areas no de I bro so
wow
beba sisi a
ana te say adwuma no sanka munye ne ya so obi nso recommend wo ma obi te wo Kumasi obi se brobo ase be ma adwuma mean say mo ye ne ye nso
tiawa adwuma no ye adwuma pa unsuro sɛ wo yɛ adwuma na anye ya wo kura no efie no untimi nsa anko fie ho ya yɛ adwuma bebre obu ho asemi hu bi da mo nkɔ kyerɛ me da bi am ayɛ etimi de wo kɔ fie da no na ya kɔ kyerɛ sɛ ha yɛ ene yɛ ɔsidi na kyerɛ ne ya kyerɛ sɛ sei ni sei tin yɛ na be opa yɛ mu sɛ fie wa nti yɛ old pictures ne yɛ new one yɛ show
sadene de ho pa be hu obi fie na enso na draw no wo so na wo paint sen wo de brush na fa so ye paint na fa so wi any 5 minutes na no wan ka sen wo be twi ba bi fa akosa to be no ato paint be ya nkore ba ko so still e be san ba
tiawa de wi wo paint wi a wo dan no gi se bibi be ba ho aje se bi a ehun aye fi wo don se touch ne de bi fi de e fi dia wo sa paint no fofra na wo fi na sa aye mo no na mom ye de na enye paint enye paint ho asam ne yeka nti wo akwakoto paint
so mo dwuma no
paint wo dan ene ye wo product ne bi wo ho ma ye be ya awie no na wo dan no ayete se de ya paint dada
kura wo hia paint bo
ye be ya awie na wo dan ayete se de ya paint ene wo ho ene ye be ya awie no so no etimi duru level bi se ete se de wa bo plaster na awie no na mom
Sompa
normal plaster na amamfo bo no
wow
se de si pie white no wo pekura wan hwe wo paint ifie no enti ye de ne de difference wo enti na me say you ba bia wo bia e ba be estimate na ma ofre ekra etwa ofie no no bibia etimi WhatsApp ya etimi estimate no so enemne mu no senke entra Ghana han to no man free channel enti ba bia wo bia ma na nkyerɛ wo se kwa
wo mo tini say no me say wasi fie na ayesa na o mo pese mo ye man de bia na mo be bona gina ma bo bi ase ne bo be din to so kra so be frɛ
oh that be ne bo de anya din sa and it say ma what I said that say charge no de normal macy for charging na de charge
ba do no
labor no de o ba to normal no be kire no to normal ni wi a ne ya charge labor no ne ya je
so no so be say bia wo kire say bia we 1 Ghana we 2 cedis we no me here ono what me this kind mama so mo ko to no ma no be ma no
tia wa yetimi ye ne sa
okay
ba bia obia otimi send usika ye de no ma na brew ye de brewa na yama rap ba ko aba no waba abehwe aye adwuma na ma ti ba bia obia nsuro aha ne tamale kura ye ko ye adwuma ho entino
mo kira kwan ni bi ne mbo numbers na so e
ye wa Abrepɔ Junction ye number ye ba ko pe 0555 11
84
Kumasi Abrepɔ Junction Accra so a number we are now de obefre ba bia wo bia de frɛ number we
that's right
ensuro say wo de wo kwan wa ba bia beba
Sompa Sports
tina ya simtia wan
okay ye better say nti I.2 eno no ba mo de ansa wo no mo enso ebeka so me ba be ye ofie ne kama afie na bia ye dada e ho dada na ye say nsuo ntokra otum say max bia draw ho ama fie no ho ye tan ɛno ɛyɛ 0.24 dwuma unnim na unnim fa hwe omo nsa no omo nya ne kama enso ma nti opani ye so beda asepa yes yemra so na afie mra mehwe eye fie die ne mu kakra na yemra so real quick nas ye nante na afie ye metieti bia sanse nyame an bo chena ana dwumadie no baswe maiden edition Democracy Cup Democracy Cup na basma catch say regular 20 Ghana VIP 50 Ghana and a VVIP 100 Ghana nyame am watching 6 o'clock and you may kick off nemum channel mama say the kind of say curtain raiser and no players former players and my Black Stars and they just say Ghana and mrashebe fie mrashebe dwafo no wo mo ana for me team na me who play wo mo betimi about 20 minutes just say watching no mo gro a betimi ahya mu 18 mobetimi age e de agum ho enti kwano kupa bi hwe be fe pa nemom yaka chos yakita exclusive right I Tower 1 Media, Tower 1 TV, live on Sompa TV, live on Facebook, and I feel live on radio stations. Nina fall under the same umbrella. No, you be enough when you be action with your commentary news. Ebi, Chesanom, a city city, the one seminal a day, Emma, for and I no pay a show. No, so a bano koro has and so game Nankasa trophy. So no real pokunti say ya can't kotoko and the house a matches amaza. Yeni normal game okotoko ne hase mu oro pokunti ekasai
any normal game because in the sense say classical all over the world club Spain now kasa Barca and Real Madrid and any normal game that and no betimi make who you are game no am kran say timi de pamu coach any normal game normal game because
yes, no, just a normal game cry. You can't correct answer. As your boy classical preseason must be a bon and impresso. Just no, a reference a lot of Pokunti and no. Now, and what you advise Ben or my new signings as I say, one more sign a contract, Emma Santiago Rocono, Pokunti, so it can be a fan.
So also, Boko Tokodia, also the love for the club itself. So, Bako Tokwa, also who's a one, I did so be also. Two. I was say extra training because extra no make a difference. And you know, advice I be come and say look, bako toko I will say I will team say stepping stone to your higher height. And you say kotoko the end of your career. So also bako toko.
Yes, na chese no I was say stepping stone. And so Emma na chese who ram e koroko di ape greater height and so a day akona koroko concern seminar no ana say che bafo and so about or say a dream come true. And so Emma ne san say enyo bia na nyakotoko no bo so nyina no na ya sante koroko che bafo.
O kwalu bia ni say no asante club as a commercial near the commercial. And I am I am I do so. That's it. It's a dream come true. Yeah.
Yes, we and so I che bafo ana ono dene kakra etudwa no and so ababe another signing ama sign wo kono on amakom say amakom street chese mountain so amakom ni de shema so on France na say na no hyepa yen hwe no na fe ntie no so kakra.
This is my street, my hood, where I belong, guys. Where it all began. It's a dream of making the next move. Let's go, guys.
Yes, na chese ono chese wabani hudum chese ne street mu afe o kai time ano obobo e wo park we so akwa wo hihia ne guys e wo ya makomu ni nyina ye ntieti kakra Striker my one bien wait let's see number 14 striker every step up 14 striker who are what son who are what son striker who are what son Hey, Masa. Che woms on now for him. I want to go so is first them say also to tuntra no rough for many away nyina Nemo manyan chesa Sanjoro konam kwamu konkran. Chesa koroko bas no yotim say delegation no enya ba kwam say bi wani mu nam say onu my bas no say de esiti ntia Sanjoro ko e bas eni a chese omo en route to encline and I day a debo moka prepare me adoma etna omne hands of folk one cry democracy cap enyasam to cry. Yes, I'm a baby drop for no so name express group say ya give visa amount take it in tourney holidays and abeso call Canada, Australia, a face US, NHS, a baby abeso Rabiano, Germany, omo and some requirement no bar. Woman tenase nurse for doctors and midwives and school for Ninano, Monfomani entre express group and Comodiano. I am very simple. Kumasi Asafo, labor runabout and cry. I Kaneshi first light or Obenya express group. I number no I 0249 000448 na onim penfone enkase na Boris Beef chicken kokonam halal enie achese enya haram o to aduane na muslimini betobia won to mra esanse mane nkonko na moso ema sintiduane ema so ye choba restaurant na simple to aduane wo kwan wachefo ene chese de hofo ni nyina no kokonam nkwane amesro to de halal achese muslimini aye ne kamach full chicken ewom achese gizzard ene akokon ba bia aka bia no obenya bi enso atopoku trading ewo dumbantama high street ni mo ye ne presby so dia no hwe na afi Wanse market on Subenya B Auto 0544444453 nanim phone enkasa upe internet a cloud internet and a babwao krokituam krokasium internet a fast aprebiano and tenko Wi-Fi yamobi yama hotspot CCTV ye installing the camera ma fe digital security locks in nyinano and so a cloud internet omo top high yanwa from our 0244 601933 nanim perifone enkasa Institute of Expert Travel and Tour almost say baby omo bono mo boye omo chese say Sofline heya soldiers for no second gate omo second gate no and a D and soldier barracks on my pay na say baby omo bono no kululu enti say bia won so be so koye adwuma business visa work visa studies student visa permanent resident visa and our Institute of Expert Travel and Tour yen kancho sebra omo de adwuma fo no so ekwadwuma bia no omo de anso be hwe omo chakwana so pa fre number na jinhwomu ni mo 0539858766 na onim pedifo no enso enkasa. Yes, Mike ane mezamu mi enso so mu kakreke na afi ye hwede be no.
Yes, Fancy, I think say baso Democracy Cup only a betna into your favorite dial and your favorite TV station to enjoy the Democracy Cup. We have 4K pictures in Kwana be enjoy live and colored into new TV now no on cry so ne mpatemuso make sure say obetua 20 cedis 50 cedis 100 cedis na watimenya na ye the 2-in-1 na ebrɛ 2-in-1 ni gina say ye the parliamentarians no and old players no legends no match ne bebrɛ to ubetimi enjoy wo MP wo area mu ti honorable also me constituency honorable chairman Sabusu me papa odi anim ubehunu wom den
MPs nso de o motide justice ekoma
MPs na ro motide
mo pesu asofo pa nti e chese ball no so mo hu ball
be hu asenso
me dey me se me former Black Stars me former players no mo
redu ya do mo nyina mo ba be ginam e ma hia no fo no nti bibia ginam pampe na me say unhwe ama Senegal da onhwe Frimpong man so the mre ni nie go and enjoy them and enjoy the game. And I think Korokone has so a very good concept of late omu games omu enu bon efe pa.
Yeah.
Korokone has. Yeah. On say edumre bi na say omu games na ya akwakoye too as a boring kakra because omu bo game na we atena from no adaka kakra ye bebo we 0-0. Unhwe ye obo Korokone has we near wasted time be 30 minutes. Na we chim no ho na we da ha ubeko we see a catch say draw at the first 10 minutes me na form mama sorry and my game ne fair. By this time around, what are the last 3 encounters between Korokone has now?
very open game, attack-minded games, quality. And Omumienu Danedi. That's why so Omumienu no, reservations about Omusuba being in your marketing, but I think their games have improved between the two of them. Now go to PM. Emma game no air kama. And I know say House of Folk ne Kumasa Sante Koroko so new players be so Danedi. Aha.
When you BM so much
BM
signing
BM iti ube hu samba mo. Aha, no mu jeje ma uche. Who say ne no mu butwem ne no ma koye de mo iti. Go and enjoy the game and hase ye ne mo na betena. Ye betena se ne mo di nkomo. Asai board ti wo so ochro be free abe 12. Aha, 12 ahomache. And I know panic to no betena se no fancy susu tie. Ono so ne mo na betena ha. Ono so be 11 ono so kra be free anu mako. Aha, okay ti mu nyina asoso wa ha. Aha, nti e no na betena na game no ye amana ye wakona so don't change your dial and this is the finest of Ghana off-season cup. This is the Democracy Cup. Inti Mushe and Miaba. Fancy. Mamini nkomo kakra mfa the video as Steve Omaye. First of all, Koroko Media, Steve Bekomo, these guys, Charlie, you guys are doing a massive job. I'm only hoping that there's going to be a continuity of this. Koroko, Adema Koroko, yeah, heavy at some point in time, yeah. Brono are these players are associated with. Now, let me say, during those days, in the cramp, once in the cramp, the inter-area galas in the crano, ya trim. First, fancy, unyini wo stadium kakra, de chemso, aswansi Eli, F-lie, B-lie. And I say, unyini wo Ashtown kakra. Na unim pa se, ya ka inter-areas galesa, and inter-area gala, ne de bono ahimfino. Mesha. On say during that time, not omunye grass. They say honey na ye
no so ye chumoto.
That is it. And now unya bike be now hanya and then now no navu ni nyina akugo. E hon na na ebu interiors gala. Na Mike e be do that time no for interiors gala no wo honom na. Obete yes asumesi na obenten ba no be adrimika. Hey. Player we alande. Hey. Steven Oduro. Hey, mame kwahwe no obia di etire. Iti asafo ba or the players or the omoba. Stadium oba or the set or the omoba. Obia ba or the players or the omoba. And fancy. Na emamanfo enjoy to almost aqua stadium no almost akusi akai no mokoba. The results also come for the club and they support them. Black Step bobo matcha. Obeka say na nyoma asesa. Enti nipa ma. Ana because Black Step bobo matcha and as nyoma nipa say na free asafoba. The bia there is a specific banner. I am stadium one no bobo ba. Ubenya ne say and as nyoma nkofo any dey chire on ba be game ni bi, which is a Black Stars game. This is a good step. And I'm so happy seeing this. The boys in Nina Koroko Macha. The Awuchi here say Obe consistent in scoring for Kotoko and no one on Kotoko is assured. Say the area boys no on the stadium abehebo.
Nande ba ku tumo baba ya.
Nothing goes no gum. Wo there Awuchi ensha see free Accra House of Folk kura game we say so. Masa Enkofu mu betu hini ade mirikom wo de beba no. Oh, area mo kakra no. Sa zone ho no. Aha e walking distance to baba ya awo. Baby omo stadium ho no. Walking distance stadium amekom asafo. Sa boys ni on say stadium asafo amekom for boys no mo tie baako. Because omo nyina di agro bobo. Wakwa amekom divisional park ne so no a. E ho ne tore bi omo Sunday special because amekom for ne beba asafo no so be na ntia fie chiwa ba kakra. Asana stadium for na nkasa no so ba be bobi
Koroko for video we the oman ni sa
brutal
we more than
brutal masa and yes
video
sa pack we na da ho no
superstar said he has Barcelona B Real Madrid B Chelsea B.
So this is it. You need to script this. It needs to go with a storyline. And where the storytelling is authentic, genuine. Omanko biya keke. So ombedi cheba for one dance here. These guys who chechi omono are guys he grew up with in the same locality. Video ni beginning and cry beautiful. So I say so ba. The journey starts from Beye way hono. Runabout hono. Nedi remwa inti etrel baby a ubewra. Inti ube rem say ya or start video na ube rem say ya no hana woko. Then on the streets of Amakom no etrel new Amakom MAJHS. Then it is speaking something about the player. So unnim player nempoa. This video alone will tell you a brief about his background. Then if you are from Amakom, Olava Obenya Diaman and cry doubled. So this work by Steven and then Bear Komone Wayno Adria Komne planning. You just underestimate just this video 8 minutes, 10 minutes asa. But they are common a painstakingly deep. They've really delved deeper into it. I was see a bomb so to me. A Juma Mayan and Kenra now was Ankokotoko Wayo Mubonus.
I know, and I saw so much
back when Steve because Steve just for this video because I dance your Medidiama boy no.
Omudi akwa Atletico Madrid no Real Madrid no
me. They send rana Kokotoko Wayo Mubonus. And then 2, the story. Cheba for no ebe body ama Kotoko. Kotoko needs to galvanize local support. Now come here about intercommunities in a way no. Personally, I have shared this idea or opinion. Say me feel say anchor even at the end of every season before say Kotoko no anchor be closing my players ako. Come here something like a regional tour into omo better Asante region. And mo de omo ntimi nko bebre na they can use demarcations into this year koha. This year next year yebeba ha. Into ebia locations no Swami a. Ebia the year 2024 Kotoko visit Swami. Near yen big yen heavy. Into ya boss season near the team na breast Swami floor. Into near Swami select side versus Asante Kotoko. No mushia. Na be like a grand farewell. Yes, almost the ama team ne by after the season. But no mostly no say season na nko year. One year the reaction might not be positive in tea. Aya na why you back but ni na the intention behind it ne say it is to rejuvenize the support base, you know. Establish contact, be close to them. Only on Mobokra, you might find 1 or 2 local boys bia. Kotoko no bet media be kind of into be rap preseason Mukrano. No necessary boys in the Neshasia. These boys might be ripe enough to start the season with you. But Emma will strengthen or support base within the various localities. Omunyan share Sadi and Aseno. Me, I think it's something they should consider. But this one compensates for a lack of that. Unya local boy have fancy eboa. It is for nothing at all now. Clubs I can say so. Ye pe local boys ni bi boy eboa. Oh, wait, if you academy ni mo na buy hano. Ye football ne kwan fa so ye no. We can't always have academies having these kids omobeba. But if you sign a local boy, there and say local boy ne wo a support base be na fandom be omudinechi. So they are bringing on board sa support, to the club because almost unia, omo player, omo idol, omo icon, and also a club nibi. So this is a positive sign na. If Kotoko they can cash in on that. And when they call the mass anti Kotoko, a supporters group akomiensis Yeah, I saw cashing in on this. Now they should be strengthening base within Amekum.
New signings more than chess circles.
Good. Until I was almost started Amekum. ABI ni a circles nibiwa Amekum. I yes saying, how can we rejuvenize it? And how can we rejuvenate it? Sorry. You be rejuvenate, you be shemukena, you be kenyemu. Minim said you be kawati asia. Until I was support a circles move along with the club to whip up interest. And also whip up support for the club. So signing a local boy on a massive endorsement. We may the stamp just for being the local boy. But born now what banner so unbebo because BBI one and so. Some of the local boys eventually come and they become politicians. Oh, say a local boys no our support your way. Into Obana born, I was so born ye cry on money ye. When the coach takes a decision, na aye issue, na fi leak information here there. And to cheba for listen and listen well. Born now beban obano. Bebo. Coach it's our dear, yeah. And on the day fast bro on the pitch. And off the pitch, you will continue to win because you have a local supporter and also a target. So there's a signing I think a very good for Asante Kotoko off the pitch and on the pitch. A positive, and this one a good thing on my end. It's a very good thing. A very, very good thing. My name is Akomia will be or the back one. So any be at the democracy cap no. Then
democracy no.
Yeah. Was a no poku team car same be about Kotoko has say any ordinary game a through. When history, when a dear, war any idea. These two clubs, you say, opening your shakrano or wabache or buy a chain to dear no. So you don't got to see so cram our because experience no one more to me forecast. Oh, this is something that will happen in the future near there. But before I even proceed, I am glad to tell you that game ni na Nebeba TV so. Terawan TV also Sompa TV also
yes.
Oh sheni free oh Facebook na oh data nkwa dia media Kenny Rose Adaroma enti data ne dia me wono bebre metimi streami na mahwe simple crash so enti Facebook Sompa page no obenya no ahwe enso wo so eye Kotoko versus us the ma game we near unique ne say there is a certain level of friendliness enti the rivalry ne yet this intense I say animosity be a nim a buffon show be a nim bueno they are playing it in the spirit of friendliness and then and I'm say a straight competition into there is an allowance for even players to cry one sign here so it has a surprise element and surprises are something I love me per surprise if you surprise me I'm good because a man to me in Chedi ABC and the original game no yen to me in Chedi ABC me cause a botch na kwa 11 I want to me more because team omudi last season asisa now everybody will want to come and watch why na kotoko de neighbor Sudan for me no aba we mu aba why House of Folk why mo no omudi omoba goalkeeper pen na ebedem so that surprise element around this game makes it a beautiful one so we know it is a must watch. It is a must not miss game. Democracy Cup and yeah,
my family course. Live on some party.
Yeah.
Live on Toronto. Facebook. Facebook.
A double.
Aye.
Yeah, we no share in person and fine.
Yes, Toba Bank Kasiglubo so Kalu. Ya munko mana mo beda so there now be found den one permanent. Togo ever bia be fine. Taka Steve on YouTube. Memani bu on so manage me chimo mu sisi gu om so sa wo mpem. 0551931931 0548931931 me fam course no. Hello caller. Oh. Me am we are me ba be the no ba be. Okay. Hello caller. Oh. Hello? Yes, sir.
Hello?
Open it, yes, you.
God, my mentor, the phone was you for now. The phone you get my family, I'm in the tobacco, Midway to Vantama. And for God, the part of Baba last for stadium, a funny part of the say
41.
The part of say
41,000.
41,000. More, yeah, that's it. And qualification. And I bet they have to cook players. Omona, democratic match in the international protocol for because I'm not near the theater.
Oh, yeah, so bad. So next, hello, caller.
The great fancy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but Anna and you can see
Anna, it's you.
And the person some time on my basso. Now, Yanama says, China Cotkona has born so more use some party in a jacket. Because Cotkona, you should get a year, papa, way back, Tamale 3-1 against Hassan and Cotkona ball. This some time on my basso. The China said, there, Kotoko, where a roof not five because there's not banner there. There's no research in has this training. It's not there. Every event that goes for Mune, I would say, Samana Paba. Some love club, Masters and Kotoko.
Okay, Yarase. Hello.
Fancy.
Yes, sir.
Aunia Solomon.
Solo, it's you.
I say one family. And after Power Party, so what you man of the Janov. One more when he ever get any number two. Now, Kakamaka, Yamia, the Machina, democratic company, but Advance and took to supported. I am paying Pablo team Nechi. Wakan Captain negotiating no mind. You did it in Yamia Duma, but your match at the end of the game was not and took to the first I'm a player, I didn't prepare more for the Bugino. Second kind of Michael to continue. Let's check about the Coquia, Oka, and I said,
oh, here I say, hello.
Source God.
Yes, sir.
I need you from the way Tao Papa Pay.
You good, it's you.
Mama more about so now, young can say, Kotoko supporters, Mr. Auchi. That player na Kotokoenya no. After the Mamusa Kotokoenya to the glue, Fesso, Ewo Kotoko. Young from Taibon Tata boy Nechi. Not a boy named Day Pa. I do not think to the Blabba. You didn't say Auchi and Day. You have to lie. Oh, boy, did the China? China, Mr. Didn't tell me that you
so hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Hello.
Open it, Yensio.
I
am crying.
Accra.
Bacha Wadarama. Okay. And as I say, Obaso Yemfa for Frey. Hello. Hello. Yes, open yet you. Adum.
With your Robert, I'm got to see what you got to me, which I did you name, and I would just say for me. Fancy. I play with Mr. Catapau, only not to say, or say,
why?
Only not to say,
and cry.
I want to okay. I don't know about what I got. Fancy. If I don't know about what
Aye.
Anti agaje di malese onse ni olu na site obo fa retano etobo tukoya ontukwai ofi hasa ontukwai daga ke ya se yame ya duma kina aso folk supporters ni ano ya papa bonte jese nkofo no muchomu mu tai ebe shomo ni bibie kimi akoya me
wo mate yeda say Mike ye why no quick na ye nkoi
Dom the driver for Nations FC. I think also at Dom and then I would that Nyanko Ponshan on Yannick. So was it drivers no here pound. I'm gonna move crap less. Exactly. And what drive you move throughout the season or be being who are touch man or bet was also this season. Not the to quite and Tiadom Nyanko Ponshan on your say happy.
Well, and also young commentator Ramos, the original. I would that. Ramos was out there.
They've been checking on why and the TV no cares. It's a fantastic guy. Oh, yeah, fantastic.
Ramos, happy birthday.